What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be replacing my map sensor, or the barometric pressure sensor, volume, or whatever you call it. Basically, I have a different intake. So what you need to do is remove your if you have an OEM intake, remove your OEM intake. There's this plug right here. So just go ahead and unplug it, okay? And then there's a torque screw right here. I don't know if you can see it. There it is. There's a screw right here where my index pointer finger is at. It's a torque screw. So first thing I did was I removed a T25. I think they're both T25 on this. There's a nut right here. See that? That's where it came from. See where my index finger is? That's where the screw is. Go ahead and just remove it, a T25, and then pull this back. That way you have room to remove that nut right there. Is actually right there now. It's a T25. So remove it because that holder is on the way. You have no room to look at it. Now that you have a room, it's easy access. So just to get an idea, it's this way, guys. See how I have room now because I was able to move this holder. So it's how you do it right over here. See how you can insert your long T25 if you have one, and just remove it from there. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. I'm able to reach it and push back the holder. There you go. Now it's off. And then grab one of these so it doesn't fall out, you know what I'm saying? Get one of your magnetic holder and then fish it out from there. That way it doesn't fall out. See, I can remove it. I'm gonna go ahead and remove it. And pull it. The one on the right is my old one. It has oil in it. I don't know if that's what's causing the sensor pressure. I don't know. But this is the one on the left, is my new one. I got it in Amazon. I called around the dealer, see how much it is. They're charging like $150 to $250. It's a cheap part. Amazon's like shit with the 2-day shipping. It's like $12. If it works for a year, oh well, buy another one. So I have no complaints. If it doesn't work, return it. Anyway, the original one is Bosch. There's the part number. There you go. That's the part number. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. It looks like they're the same. Where the little bulb is placed at. So that's it. I took it out from there. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back. Please sub if you can, and that's it. Put back everything in reverse. There's nothing much to it, but that's the location of that map sensor, or the barometric error that you guys are having, or I'm having. Hopefully this will fix the problem. I don't see any leaks or anything like that in the intake manifold, and there's no leak anywhere else. So this error keeps popping up, and hopefully I'll drive it a few days and that's the end of it. Thanks for watching. Bye.